lips are so dry. Holy shit. Guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. This video doesn't really need an explanation. I literally just woke up and I was like, rise and shine. Here we are. I'm just gonna get right into the makeup, honestly. So I'm just taking the MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'm just putting it on a beauty blender. So I kind of just, I wish I could play Kylie's song without getting copyrighted, but I can't, so honestly don't really know what to talk about, but I really hope that this makeup doesn't suck. Does anyone really just like hate the process of rubbing in all of your foundation? Because I freaking do. I hate this part of my routine. Like making sure you have every single crevice. I'm just taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I don't even know if I'm recording right now. I hope I am. So, I guess I should mention the foundation for this look is a nice kind of subtle, like almost like no makeup look, if that's like how you're feeling. Because it's supposed to be like you wake up and then that's how you feel. So now I'm just taking the MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Setting Powder. I'm just going to bake my face. I think I got it in my... And then for the eye makeup, I'm just going to be taking the James Charles Artistry palette. I'm going to be taking the yellow shade here. I don't know if you can see this, but it's called B. Really don't know how I feel about yellow eyeshadow. I just went ahead and did my other eye, so I'm gonna quickly put on some liner and lashes. Just gonna wipe away the bake. Alright, so I'm taking the Maybelline, what is this? Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. I really like this. It's honestly like the equivalent to the Kat Von D liner, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so obviously I put on lashes and finished my other eyeliner, so I'm just going to finish the rest of my face makeup. So I'm going to be taking the MAC Studio Fix contour palette, and I'm just taking this shade here. And then for highlight, I'm just taking the MAC Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlight. I'm just gonna like set my face though first. Usually I would be kind of done by now, but we're not finished yet. The best part is right now. So okay, so I'm just taking the yellow and I'm just kind of like right into the hairline is like perfect. Just gonna go ahead and add in some like orange, I think. So and then I'm just taking like a paint to kind of define it. I'm just gonna add a lipstick quickly and I'll show you the finished product. Rise and shine. When I thought of this, I saw an Instagram post that was made by Lance Aguis. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll have his on the screen. He actually posted like a makeup look that this was inspired by. So great minds think alike. Literally like had this idea in my head as I woke up, and then I scrolled on Instagram and saw that he did it. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys think of this as an intellectual Halloween idea. If you guys are like doing like a last minute kind of costume idea and you need something to wear or something to dress up as, I think that this is a very good costume idea and it's really original. I don't think anyone will do it, so you're welcome. I hope you're the rise and shine of the party. You guys can follow me on my social medias. They'll be down on the link down on the screen below. Yeah, that made sense. See you guys in my next video. I literally hate myself. Why do I have sun on my face?